Welcome once again. Now we will start with the next session, that is subtraction of two-digit number with the borrowing. In that one, zero, when zero will come, that time how to subtract and how to borrow that numbers. Okay, that's simple thing. As usual, here first I'll solve previous class what I solved, that same problem, that once again I explain. Here 63 minus 45. Upside number is big, downside number is upside number is small compared to downside number. Here down 5 is there, upside 3 is there, upside number is small. Then what you have to do? Simple, strike out this number, write 13 immediately. Please remember this word. Always I have to tell that immediately means you have to next number. Remember this. 6 backside number, what number? 5 is there. Why we are backside number we are doing? Because minus 1 you have to do. Minus 1 subtract and you have to write new number, that is upside. Otherwise simple tricks, backside number have to write. Here 6 is that, backside number 5. Simple logic you have to apply. Next you have to subtract. Now it is ready to subtract. Now it is ready. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. Yes. 8. 5 minus 4. 1. Yes. Now when 0 will come, that time what we have to do? 60. Nothing, the same procedure you have to follow. Instead of 3 I wrote here 0. In this case, strike out this and write 10. Here instead of 3 we wrote 13. In this case 0 is there, we have to write 10. When 0 will come, that time you have to write 10. 10. Immediately. Always you have to repeat this. Always whenever that borrow system is there, that time you have to repeatedly have to tell that. Immediately next number you have to subtract minus 1 or backside number of that number. 6 minus 1 means 5. Or logically simple, backside number, 6 backside number you have to write. Some students, they are not writing this one, they are writing this borrow the system, they are applying here, they are writing new number here upside, but what they are doing, they are not strike out the next number and they are not writing the new number. Minus 1 they are not doing, minus 1 they are not doing. That's why that answer will become wrong. Please remember, whenever you will strike out one number, that time next number also you have to strike out and write to new number. That is the simple thing. Always you have to remember that. Instead of 0 I wrote 10. Instead of 6 I wrote 5. Why? Because backside of this number. And here instead of 0 we wrote 10. Over. Now next we have to subtract. Simple subtraction I have to apply. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. This is a simple as usual. But you have to remember that steps. You have to remember the steps. Once again I will repeat. So many times I am repeating this procedure, but you are not following the steps properly. Some students, not all, Few students, they are doing mistakes. They are sending homework wrong, and that's why I'm telling that repeatedly I'm telling that you have to do like this, you have to do like this. I hope you understood. Once again I'll repeat. Here third one, 50 minus 23. Here also 0 is there. Strike out, write 10 immediately. Please remember this. First strike out, next number also have to strike out. Only these things you have to first remember. Whenever you will strike out one number, then next number also have to strike out. Why? Because we are borrowing numbers. We are borrowing, we are taking from them. So we have to less and we have to write a new number. Less 1 we have to write. Instead of that one, simple logic thing you have to remember. 5 instead of 5, backside number 4. Okay, now it is ready. Now it is ready. 10 minus 3, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. Simple. As usual, that same thing you have to apply in this case also. The procedure, steps, whatever you are following, that is same only, nothing changes. If 0 is there, 1 is there, 2, nothing changes, same thing you have to apply. Now, wait, 70 minus 46. The same thing. Once again I'll repeat, strike out this. Instead of a 0, we have to write 10. Strike out next number also. Immediately next number also you have to strike out. 7 is there, backside number 7, backside number 6. Yes, 7 backside number 6. Now it is ready. It is now ready. Now we have to subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, this one. And 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 24. Now it becomes 24. Fourth one. Now fifth one. 90 minus 57. 0, strike out, new number 10. Immediately next number also have to strike out. Minus 1 you have to do, or backside of this number 9 is there, 9 backside number 8. Over now. Now we have to subtract. 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. Now sixth one. 40 minus 12, 40 minus 12. 0 is there, strike out, write new number 10. 4 is there, strike out that also number, write new number, that is backside number 3. Now it is ready. Now we have to subtract 10 minus 2, 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. Now seventh one, I will take 70 minus 48. Again same thing you have to follow. Strike out 0 and write 10 here upside. 7 is there, strike out this 7 also and write backside number of a 7, backside number of a 7, that is 6, right? Okay, now we have to subtract 10 minus 8, this 10 minus 8, 2, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2. Eighth one, 30 minus 25, 30 minus 25. In this case also, strike out 0, write 10, instead of a 2, strike out that 3, strike out this one, backside number of 3, that is 2, 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 means 5, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 means 0, 0. It is very simple. It is very simple. Tomorrow I will solve with the Indian style. Now whatever that I taught, these are textbook method. Textbook method. Now I will solve Indian style. I will teach that Indian style also, because it will help in future in any competitive examination. If you want to appear any competitive examination like Morarji Desai or Rani Chennamma or anyone, okay, that time it will help. It is a little fast, or you can apply this also. You can apply this also. No problem with this one. No problem. You can apply, but you have to learn that also. It is also good. And I will teach some tricks regarding that competitive examination multiplication, how to do that 2-digit multiplication with a 2-digit number within 10 seconds. You can, if you apply that tricks, then you can solve any problem within 10 seconds. Seconds, I'm telling, within 10 seconds. That much you can learn. Okay, now I will give homework. Note down this homework. First one, 50 minus 28. Second one, 30 minus 12. First, second, now third one, 70 minus 45, fourth one 50 minus 16, fifth one 80 minus 39, sixth one 80 minus 28. Okay, solve these problems.